It's the 2021. Here is Koillisväylä. I think it's Lauttasaari in Swedish. Building 8 to 10 staircase B. We have also been to the staircase A here. They're both tiny elevators also. Only 2 purchased of 160 grams. State of the original today, built in 1956. Turning 65 years old this year in 2021. And the serial number is 6895. And it's going to be inspected in 2023 with 5 floors. And now it's right. I can press it. I think this one has amazing sounds.
Yeah. Se tippaa kivais, mutta maintained by Kone.
Good maintenance.
Yeah.
And that's why the sound is so nice.
Yeah.
It's maintained by Kone. The sound is even better than in the sticky saying.
Yeah.
And also the metal plate is original here.
Yeah.
Sadly, it was based in the sticky say, but
Yeah.
but it's original here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the sticky say here. That's it.
That's